Your skin faces many irritants: UV rays, air pollution, environmental toxins, stress and bad habits slow your skin's metabolism and increases its temperature, leading to many skin problems. Through 16 years of scientific research, thermocEUTICAL has found how to restore our skin's health. Our customized formulas infuse your skin deeply with concentrated active ingredients for soothing, cooling, and moisturizing. By maintaining an optimal skin temperature to protect and heal your skin, also prevent and correct your skin concerns. We provide professional skincare treatment programs and home care treatments to maximize the vitality of your skin. Based on the cutting-edge research done by dermatologists and skin experts, our innovative solutions provide state-of-the-art medical peeling and protocols and reinvigorate problematic skin, turning it healthy and vibrant. A total medical skincare brand that provides customized skin problem solutions for healthy skin. We are thermocEUTICAL.